So the main race bearing was pushed on too far, so I took and ground a couple little slits on either side so my tool could fit in there to get it started. And I do have a new transmission going in it, it's in that box. So I didn't care that much about this shaft, so I just ground into this a little bit just to get this horseshoe to fit down in there. And, well, take her off. Something just broke. But now I can get the tool behind it. Okay, yeah, it broke right there. Check it out. Just broke right there. Tool slipped off, but that's all right because I can get it behind it now. And you can grind these a little deeper in. I don't have any Dremel bits right now, and I had the grinder, and I know I wasn't keeping this, so. Yeah, that's what snapped. But yeah, now I'm just gonna take this, put it behind it, take it off the right way, and then work on everything else.